Hello. Today we'll be demonstrating how to correctly complete a timesheet. Make sure you use a set of 2 sheets so that the information on the top sheet is duplicated onto the yellow copy, which will be left with the client. You will find most of the information you need for the timesheet on your rota sent to you by email. First, add the name of the client, which for the purpose of this video has been labeled with letter A. Next, add the project name, labeled with letter B. Make sure both client and project names match the ones given on your rota. Now enter your full name. Please don't add nicknames or shortened versions of your name as the system won't recognize it. It's important to add the week-ending date from your rota to ensure you get paid for the correct week. When entering the days and hours worked on your timesheet, put the date in the first column. You can simply use the day and month, as shown in this video. We'll show examples of different shift patterns to cover all parts of the timesheet. Next, enter the start time, matching when you arrived and signed in. Always use the 24-hour clock format. It's important to include your lunch break, which can be between 30 and 60 minutes. Lastly, add the finish time, matching when you signed out at the setting. For a night shift, enter the time you signed in, cross off the break, and enter the time you signed out. Remember to use 24-hour clock. Follow the same steps for long days. Since you typically won't have an unpaid break, you can cross it off. And if you're doing a sleep-in after your shift, tick the sleep-in box as shown. Otherwise, only your day shift hours will be recorded for payment. Make sure you get the timesheet signed by a management staff member on your last day. The only exceptions to unsigned timesheets are lone working or a cancellation of the shift. Remember, the deadline to send timesheets is Monday at 9 a.m. And email your timesheet to the address listed at the top of the form.